I was half in mind, I was half in need, and as the rain came down, I dropped to my knees and prayed. I said, oh heavenly thing, please cleanse my soul. I've seen all on offer and I'm not impressed at all. I was halfway home, I was half insane, and every sharp wind I looked and just looked the same. I said, send me a sign to save my life, 'cause at this moment in time there's nothing certain in these days of mine. It's a frightening thing when it dawns upon you that I know as much as the day I was born, and though I wasn't asked, I might as well stay and promise myself each and every day that when you're knocked on your back and your life self-flop, and when you're down on the bottom, there's nothing else but shout to the top. Shout to the top. Shout to the top. Shout to the top. It's a frightening thing when it dawns upon you that I know as much as the day I was born, and though I wasn't asked, I might as well stay and promise myself each and every day. Shout to the top. Shout to the top. Shout to the top. Shout to the top. The top, shout to the top, shout to the top. It's a frightening thing when it dawns upon you that I know as much as the day I was born, and though I wasn't asked, I might as well stay and promise myself each and every day. Shout to the top, shout to the top, shout to the top. Shout to the top.